Hi, I'm Bernie Bochner, a urologic surgeon at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. I specialize in bladder cancer, kidney cancer, prostate cancer, as well as the complex reconstructive aspects of bladder cancer care. What I love most about my job is helping patients. I love helping them manage really difficult problems and seeing them through the entire journey. And MSK is the ideal place for that. Our teams work together to offer the newest approaches to treatment, and we provide care that is well-coordinated and compassionate. Through it all, we take into account what's important to you. Treating cancer is a team effort, and here at MSK, we truly have the best team. Outside of work, I love being outdoors, whether it's fly fishing or hiking. For me, there's nothing more therapeutic than being in nature. I also want to know where you like to spend time, what makes you feel happiest. Our goal is to treat your cancer and then get you back to the things you enjoy most in life.